A final text problem. We're asked to find the slope of the tangent line of the y equals x cubed function at the point where x equals -2. Well, we know that there are several ways to find the slope or to find the equation of a straight line. If we have 2 points in the line, we can find the equation so that, for example, if we knew the coordinates of the 2 points on this graph, we could find the equation of this line very easily. We know that if we have the slope and the y-intercept of a line, we can find the equation very, very easily, just plugging into the slope-intercept form. However, what do we do in a case like the present one? Well, our third alternative is to know a point on the line and the slope. If we know a point and the slope, we can easily determine the equation of the line. And of course we have enough information here. We know the point that we're after, we know the function, and that's going to give us the coordinates of the point, and we know the derivative, which is going to give us the slope of the tangent line. So we're just about home free. If we plug x equals -2 into y equals x cubed, we get y equals -8. So we have the point -2, -8. This point is going to lie on the tangent line. And then if we plug x equals -2 into y prime equals 3x squared, we're going to get y equals 12. Y prime equals 12, and of course that's going to be the slope. The slope is y prime of -2, which is 12. So now all we have to do is write down the equation of a line through -2, -8 with a slope of 12. The easiest way to think of that, if you don't happen to remember a formula especially, is to say, well, if xy happens to be a point on the line, then the slope from -2, -8 up to xy is going to be the rise, which is y minus -8, the difference in the y coordinates, over the run x minus -2, which is the difference of the x coordinates of the run. And there's the slope, and of course the slope has to equal 12. So there's the equation of the line. And we can solve this then for y very easily. We're going to have y plus 8 over x plus 2 equals 12. Multiply both sides by x plus 2, we're going to have 24x plus 24. Then we subtract 8 from both sides, we're going to have 24x, y equals 24x plus 16. Indicating a y-intercept of 16 up here someplace, and that makes a certain amount of sense. It is one of the rare occasions where the graph I drew really seems to be pretty accurate.